All right, so in conclusion, we can see through our research and studies that using these types of programs greatly assist us in understanding the use of motion analysis. We can also deduct that it is very important to use video analysis within sports. By understanding and applying the knowledge of Logger Pro, of course, people can understand their athletic capabilities by something called limit testing, as I would call it. One can see the velocity and the acceleration slash deceleration of an object while in motion, and in other cases could actually figure out the force applied to an object, which gives the answer to why it's increasing in velocity at the degree which it shows in the video. So that's all we got. All right, so in conclusion, we can see through our research and our studies that using these types of programs greatly assist us in understanding the use of motion analysis within sports. We can also deduct that it is very important to use video analysis. We understand and apply the knowledge of Logger Pro, and people can actually use this to understand their athletic capabilities by something I like to call limit testing. One can actually see the velocity and deceleration or acceleration of an object while in motion, and in other cases could actually figure out the force applied to an object which is given to the which gives the answer to why it increases in velocity at the degree that it does show in the video. So that is everything we have. Thank you very much. And yeah.